take note of it. Let's move on to the second command, command number 2. Command number 2 is mkdir. I say mkdir, mkdir. So mkdir is used to create directories. Now, if you have used Windows for a long time, then note that in Windows, it's folder or folders. In Linux, in macOS, we will say directory. So directory in Linux is the same as a folder in Windows. All right. So mkdir is used to create directories. It's used to create folders if I'm interpreting it in the Windows language. All right. So mkdir will help you do that. So mkdir is this, mkdir, like this. Okay, so mkdir will help you to create your directories. So let's go back to the big house I made mention of. So the big house, let's say you have that house. If you want to add a room to it, in this case it's Linux. So the room here refers to the directory. All right. So if I want to add a directory or a folder, it's mkdir. And then what do? I specify the name of the directory. So if let's say I want to create a directory, let's say bioinformatics, then it's bioinformatics like this. Then I'll create it. Note that Linux is case sensitive. So bioinformatics is different from, let's say, maybe bioinformatics. So if I issue this command to, then it's going to be executed. We are going to do the directory created. Now, if you create a directory and then nothing shows up, that means everything is successful. But don't worry, we are going to check them. We are going to verify them very soon. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so lowercase b is different from uppercase b. In Windows, maybe if you try to create, no matter the cases, probably it might show some error or stuff like that. It's been a long time I used Windows, so maybe that one I may not know. But the last time I checked, when you have this and this, Windows will still tell you that same directory exists. Probably it has changed. I'm not sure. You can try and find out. But in Linux, this is different from this. And that is why both directories have been created. Okay, so that's how we do it. So try with your name and then see how it goes. So if nothing happens, that means it has been created. We are going to check these directories out later. Now with the mkdir, okay, we use to create a directory. You can create a directory in another directory. So in this case, a room in a room. Maybe you have the room, and in that room, you do your partition, do some small stuff. There's a small corridor, whatever. So just take it along that line. So if let's say I want to create a directory in, let's say, bioinformatics, this one. Okay, then I can say make the bioinformatics / and like I can say, let's say, Pascal, maybe there's another directory. So I can just do it like this. This will create another directory for me. Okay, so make the bioinformatics / Pascal. That means that there is a directory called bioinformatics, and in that directory, I've created this directory called fastq. So this is the second command that you must know if you're a beginner in Linux.